Zucchini plants grow quickly and reward gardeners with generous harvests when cared for properly. Using natural fertilizers nourishes the plants and improves both yield and resistance to pests. Here's a natural homemade fertilizer recipe that helps your zucchini thrive throughout the growing season. Start by grinding 1 tablespoon of lentils into a fine powder with a grinder. Pour this powder into half a liter of warm water and stir well. Lentils provide iron, phosphorus, and nitrogen, which stimulate strong root growth and overall plant vitality. They enrich the soil with essential nutrients that zucchini plants need to flourish. Next, add 200 milliliters of yogurt. Yogurt is packed with calcium and beneficial bacteria that help strengthen plant cell walls and improve soil microbial balance. This supports healthy leaves and enhances the plant's natural defenses against diseases. Finally, add half a teaspoon of dried rosemary. Rosemary acts as a natural repellent, keeping aphids, whiteflies, and other pests at bay. It also helps prevent fungal diseases like powdery mildew, ensuring your zucchini plants stay healthy and productive. Mix all ingredients thoroughly and let the solution rest for a few hours to extract all the benefits. Strain the fertilizer and dilute it with 2 liters of water. Apply about 300 milliliters of this mixture to each zucchini plant every 15 days, watering at the base. If you found this natural feeding tip helpful, share this video with friends and fellow gardeners so more zucchinis can grow strong and healthy. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.